Hello everyone, Nasir here again. In this video I'm going to quickly talk about the Dow Jones 30, Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, so on my last video, I think I gave a very broad outlook on the Dow Jones area. Yeah, expecting Dow Jones to head back down to around 26,000. Okay, I haven't actually posted anything on the markets or on the Dow Jones since then. Admittedly, it is very difficult to try and work out which way the market's going, especially when there's so much strength and there's so much support by the US government to hold the markets up. But in recent days, we've seen a dramatic push down, and whilst I do interim analysis that I don't always post on YouTube, I was expecting the Dow Jones to move from 36,000 down to 33,000, and we've pretty much done that now. What I would imagine is, it's not quite done yet. So again, I'm looking for the market to break the sort of trend that is sort of made, and once it breaks that, I would expect the market to push back up. But before that, I imagine the markets would move sideways for a bit and try to push back down a little bit more, after which we should see a substantial push up, breaking this trend line and heading back somewhere close to around 36,000. I can't be sure exactly where we're going to go. If I was to use something like Fibonacci retracement, for instance, let's just assume it comes down to around 32,700, then that would give me something realistically around 36,000, where the market could potentially push back up. But I can't be sure how far up just yet. But what seems very likely is that a little bit more to go on the downside until we see a substantial push up. But after that, what can we expect? If I zoom out, what we can see is on the longer term, the market has broken this very long-term trend line, and we are pretty much on the start of a long-term downtrend move. You'll see in my video on the Nasdaq 100, we've got a similar sort of behavior here. So yeah, I think it's very possible that we're going to head towards around the 29,000 level initially sometime this year, and then head towards 26,000 level. If we can breach this 26,000 level, oh boy, we're going down to around 22,000. So we'll see. It's a long shot. It's not going to happen overnight. We're talking about throughout this year and moving into next year. So let's see what happens and how it goes. For now, expecting the market to sort of stabilize and push back to around 36,000 before showing more signs of moving downwards.